So I came out to the property because I was told that a technician had been out here to make repairs. I don't think he's made repairs yet. And this is another part of that out structure identified in the report. And as you can see, I'm not going to push through, but I could. Oop. This has not been repaired. Please provide photographic evidence that the cause of this deficiency has been resolved. This is the other side. Similar problem. Please provide pictures to show that the cause of these failures has been resolved. At the front of the house, please provide photographic evidence that the cause of this defect has been resolved. And at the west side of the house, please provide photographic evidence that the cause of these defects has been resolved.